are looking for a cosmetic dentist in Pacific Beach, San Diego, La Jolla, or Claremont, California, we can help. We offer a wide range of cosmetic dental services, from teeth whitening and veneers to full smile makeovers. We use the latest techniques and materials to give you the best possible results. We also offer a free consultation so that you can see what we can do for you. To make an appointment, please call us at 619-658-6199.
Visit our website at www